Hey guys, I'm here doing this video review on this Aqua Elegante 3-inch water head for the shower. I got this because I was tired of my current setup that I had, which involved like two of these, one for the top and one for the bottom, and there was just not enough pressure. So let me show you guys the pressure. I really liked it. I did take out the little plastic, I guess for it to have better flow. I didn't even bother trying with the plastics. So this is without that little plastic, and installation was really simple. I mean, it's just screw on basic stuff. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So okay, so right now it's on the bottom. Okay, so there it is. Okay. So there it is. Very high pressure. Oh man, it's really hot. Compared to, so this is that one, and if I was to open the bottom one, look at that pressure. Okay, look at that pressure right there. And now let's compare it to the top one again. See, very high pressure. So overall, I think it's really good for the price. Finish, it's good. You know, hopefully it lasts us a good while. All right, thank you.